our one compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 54 inches, a depth of 24 inches, and a height of 43 inches tall. We have the tub measuring 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Drain basket included. Left and right drain board, each one measuring 18 inches in length by 20 inches in depth. Distance between the left and right faucet mount, we have 9 inches. Coming to the top left corner is the NSF certification. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.